I just blew your mind.
Toys R Us presents Toys Unboxing Toys with me, Jeffrey. And remember, kids, some toys can't talk, but they all do in our videos.
On today's show, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Michelangelo and Donatello action figures unbox the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles City Sewer Lair playset.
Mushroom,
Anchovy,
sausage.
jelly beans.
Oh, never.
What the? Whoa, what's in this awesome box? It's gigantic.
Whoa, it's enormous.
It's enormic. Gigantrous?
Dude, those aren't real words.
Back off, bro. I've got a way with words. Check it out. It's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles City Sewer Lair playset.
Whoa, these statistics are incredible. Over 40 inches tall, with multiple levels for ninja battle action.
Sweet. Let's get to work, dude. I'm gonna open it up with my mad ninja skills.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, check out all these pieces.
Oh, let's build this. Turtle power.
Cowabunga!
Ready to take a tour?
Yeah, bro. Touring like a ninja.
Check it out, Mikey. I got my very own lab and garage to tune up the tactical truck.
Let's go check out the turtle training area.
Think of all the bad guys we can intercept with this TV crime monitor.
And it's perfect for playing video games, you know, until there's an emergency or something.
Whoa, check this out. Master Splinter has his own meditation zone.
Shh, I'm getting my Zen on. Wait, why does my Zen smell like pizza? Our own pizza oven, sick!
It has a pizza shooter. Let me just calculate the trajectory.
Alley-oop. Come here. Where you going? I just blew your mind, right?
Time to take the spiral slide. Awesome apparatus, dude.
Good times, bro. This lair is epic.